All right, here we go. Let's use some of that understanding now here for these next problems. So it says, suppose that tangent of alpha equals 1/3 and tangent of beta equals 1/2. First problem says, find tangent of alpha plus beta. Now we know that the tangent of alpha plus beta, that's equal to, that's the same thing as tangent of alpha plus the tangent of beta divided by 1 minus tangent uh, tangent alpha times tangent beta. All right, and now we're going to just substitute in the pieces we know. We know tangent of alpha is 1/3, and the tangent of beta is 1/2. So this is equal to, tangent of alpha is going to be 1/3. Let's rewrite that. 1/3 plus tangent of beta, we're told is 1/2, so plus 1/2, all divided by 1 minus tangent alpha, still 1/3, times tangent of beta, 1/2. All right, and so getting common denominators, looks like we're going to want to multiply this here by 2/2, and over here multiply this by 3/3, and we'll get, going to come in down over here. So we've got, let's see, that's 2/6 plus 3/6 all over 1 minus and 1/6. That's equal to 5/6 over, what's that? Also 5/6 over 5/6, and that's equal to 1. So tangent of alpha plus tangent, tangent of alpha plus beta, when tangent of alpha is 1/3 and tangent of beta is 1/2, equals 1. And now let's just think through. This isn't actually part of the problem, but it will help us with B here in just a moment. Think through, where would we have the tangent of something being, of whatever the angle is, where would that be equal to 1? And that's going to be at, if we're talking in radians, that'll be pi over 4. And then over here again at, let's see, what is that? 5 pi over 4. No, sorry, not quadrant 2. My apologies. Down in quadrant 3 at 5 pi over 4, where your reference angle is still pi over 4. And so there we go. We've got, that's what, because then our cosine and our sine are both going to be the square root of 2/2 and the square root of 2/2, which gives us a value of 1. And so knowing that, okay, knowing that we would have it, those are our two times the tangent of something would give us 1. Now we're going to look at problem B. Show that the inverse tangent of 1/3 plus the inverse tangent of 1/2 is equal to pi over 4. And so first off, where does the inverse tangent exist? It only exists in the first and second or first and fourth quadrants. Where does it equal 1? Or where is the angle going to be pi over 4? Where's that, the reference angle? Well, it's right here. And so we have, since inverse tangent is positive in quadrant 1 only, then A and B, then alpha and beta, then alpha and beta are in quadrant 1. And because we know that here they're both positive, so they're both in quadrant 1. So we know that quadrant 1 and quadrant 1, if we were to add those two angles, whatever they are, if we were to add those two angles up, it wouldn't get us all the way around to quadrant 3. And so quadrant 1 plus something else in quadrant 1, our A and our B, or sorry, alpha and our beta, they can't get all the way to quadrant 3. So quadrant 3 does not equal something in quadrant 1 plus something else in quadrant 1. So alpha and beta, alpha, actual plus sign, alpha plus beta equals, well, what was our reference angle back here? It has to be pi over 4. All right, hope that helps and hope that makes a bit of sense, and see you in the next video.